I want to show you how to get leads and customers if you have an acupuncture business. Not only am I going to show you how to blow up your acupuncture business, more importantly, I'm going to show you how you can access a pre-built funnel website, pre-built emails, pre-built text messages for your entire business. And make sure you stick till the end of this video because I'm going to show you how to instantly import this entire done for you website, funnel, and process into your own acupuncture business. So make sure to stick to the end because I'm going to show you how you can do this in just one step. Now, with that being said, I want to introduce the expert that's going to show you how you can import this acupuncture done for you system that gets you leads and customers for your business. Enjoy.
Hey guys, this video starts a brand new series on how to get new leads and customers for your business. In particular today, we're covering how to get new leads and customers for an acupuncture business. So if that's you, watch all the way through to the end and we've actually got a free gift for you. We're going to gift you this website, show you how you can get it for yourself, as well as a follow-up email sequence, which shows you how to turn cold leads into paying customers. So watch right till the end and we'll show you how you can grab those gifts. Welcome back. So usually when businesses want to attract new customers, right, what they do is they give them a sample or they give them a taste of how it is to use their products or services. For example, if you walk around in the shopping mall, I'm going to give you free food to try and get you to buy food products. They're going to give you free drinks. You're going to get to sample things. If you go and buy a car, shop around for a car, right? The car dealer is going to try and offer you a free test drive. And so they make you feel comfortable in the vehicle. They try and make you see how it would feel if you owned the vehicle. Basically, there are different freebies you can give depending on what your business is. So for example, if you were in a gym, you may give someone a free day in the gym, or if you're in a spa or something, you may give someone a discount or free spa day or what have you, and just to attract customers that will then become not just one time but lifetime buyers. And that's what businesses do, right? And it's no different in the online world, in the digital world. And so you've got to give someone typically a freebie or a discount or something of value in exchange for their name and their email address online. That's business 101 if you're online, to attract customers and to build not just one time but lifetime customers, is to capture a name and an email address or a phone number of a client, right? And so the question is, how do you do that? I'm going to introduce you today to a software called Funnel Freedom. Funnel Freedom allows you to capture names, email addresses, and then to store your customers' details in a database. It allows you to email your customer, text your customer, phone your customer. It allows you to set up calendars and appointments and all kinds of automation that can literally save you hours in your business, as well as effectively capturing names and email addresses of potential clients for your business. Many businesses nearly shut down during COVID, and what saved them was they weren't able to go physically to their customers, but what saved them was the fact that they had an email list, and that meant that they could then email their client base. Businesses that didn't have a big email list, that didn't have a big client base, where they couldn't see their clients physically, closed their doors, or they lost literally millions of dollars. And so today we're going to show you a little bit of Funnel Freedom, and in particular today we're discussing how to get leads and potential lifetime customers for your acupuncture business. And so I'm going to show you this acupuncture funnel. So you can see this is the website. The headline says, "Save on our best selling, doing some crazy things to promote our business. Get off of our best selling and highest rated. We only have 37 discount vouchers available, so claim yours today." And so you can see what it's doing there. You're giving people a discount, but only for a limited amount of people, right, on your best products, so they can experience your best products at a discounted price. And so in order to grab the discount, they've got to enter their name, their email address, their phone number, and then click on claim discount. Also on this website, you'll see there's a Google listing for SEO purposes, which is search engine optimization. So when your client goes on Google and they search acupuncture service near me, they're going to find you. They're going to read your reviews from your customers. And that's what this website does. And it also captures your location, so people can easily find you.
and you can easily edit this website with your contact details so they can phone you as well if you do phone support. And so this is the front of the website. So people enter their name and their email address, and then what happens is they go to the second step in the website is to book an appointment with you. So you're giving them an opportunity to experience your best products at a discounted rate, right? Now they've got to book their appointment with you. This is how the booking page works. Step 2, schedule your appointment here, and you can say thanks, and then that pulls that little curly brackets. What it does is it pulls the customer information through. So let's say, thanks John, you should be receiving an email from us in the next 5 to 10 minutes with your discount code to make sure that you're one of the 37 that's able to get the discount. Book a time below to have us come give you a free on-site quote. Well, in this case that should be changed, but for your acupuncture business, it's not going to be a free on-site quote, but you're going to say, book a time below. Yeah, come see us and take advantage of your discount coupon, right? This is fully editable. You can edit it to say whatever you want to get those new customers in, and obviously we can work with you to edit that and to get to fine-tune that. Again, there's your map so people know exactly where you are. And then what happens, the third step is the confirmation, the booking confirmation. And this is how it looks. Appointment confirmed, you're all set. And then it's got a nice photo there of you and your team. Thanks, John. We just emailed you an appointment confirmation. We're looking forward to meeting you and providing you with an incredible 5-star experience. And then again, it's got the Google listing there at the bottom and what have you. And then what's going to happen is, on top of that, your system's going to automatically email that contact that took advantage of that coupon offer and booked a acupuncture session with you. And so what's going to happen is, if we go to automation, there is a entire automated email campaign that we've built out for you. You can see there. So what happens is this system automatically emails your contact as soon as they opt in with their name, email address, and phone number. They get an automated message to basically confirm their booking and also to remind them of their booking. If you have text messaging enabled on your system, on your Funnel Freedom system, it also sends them a text message. It can do things like ringless voice messages. It can do things like voicemails and just normal text messages as well, just to remind your lead of their booking, right? To make sure they show up. Also, what it'll do is it'll send you a notification whenever a new lead opts in and claims that discount coupon. It'll tell you somebody has booked an appointment with you. You can also set this up so that whenever you've got customers on your database, whenever it's their birthday, right, then it'll send a message to them with a birthday discount code. So saying, hey John, it's your birthday today. We want to give you $100 discount on your acupuncture session. You don't have to do that manually. It's all done automatically for you. It does things like database reactivation. So for old customers that haven't returned, it sends them an automated message saying, hey, we missed you. Here's a discount code. Come back. And then this is for people that didn't show up for their appointment. It sends a follow-up message and says, hey, listen, you didn't show up for your appointment. You can move your customer right through the cycle in this system. So if they do show up, then you add a little then it shows a little indicator on their name saying did show up. They didn't show up, it says they're a no-show. And so then you can create a segment that you email for people that are no-shows only. And then, you can basically email those types of people, trying to get them to show up, incentivize them to show up. There's a holiday text flow. So if it's a holiday season, you can set up a text campaign. You messaging people to say, hey, it's holiday time. If you want to come for an acupuncture session, we're still here and here's a discount or whatever to incentivize you to do so. If the appointment is canceled, you can see that what it does is it removes your lead from the sequence. This is no-show reactivation, which means if they don't show up, then it puts them on a list, and then you can email them, like I said, to say, hey, listen, you didn't show up. What happened? And here's some more incentive or whatever to show up. And then whenever they do show up, you obviously want the good customers to give you a review, right, of your services. And so that's where the Google comes into play, and where they write a Google review for you, and then you can request a review and then write a nice little review for you, and that appears on Google for every other customer and potential customer to read for you. So they'll Google acupuncture service near me, you will come up, and then they will read your raving reviews from your customers. And then also there's other things like we call the soap opera sequence, that is to basically let people know what are you up to in your business, what are you up to in your life, so people can get into your world and people can get more familiar and comfortable with you. It's not just all about business, then it becomes a lifelong relationship that you're building with a customer. And then there's a touching base pipeline. That's just, hey, touching base. How are you doing? How things going with you, type of thing. And then lastly, Google My Business message. And so there's all kinds of automations that you can set up. And we will give you this website and the calendar appointments and the automated emails. We will give you all of that free of charge. So if you click the link in the description, you can grab yourself a free 14-day trial of the Funnel Freedom system, right? Now, Funnel Freedom is free for 2 weeks. You can try it out. You can test it out for free. You can get the free gift and test out the free gift, and we'll help you set it up and integrate everything, integrate your contact details and all of that. But yeah, you can get it for free. Test it out for 2 weeks. If you like it, if you want to keep it, if you see, hey, listen, this thing is working, I want to keep it, I want to test it out. After the initial free 14 days, it is $97 a month. You being in an acupuncture business, you should make that up in no time. And that's your subscription paid for. And then you even recommend this Funnel Freedom system to other people, and we'll pay you 40% referrals of the software, of the system. When you grab yourself a free trial of the Funnel Freedom software, send us an email to support@wfhchannel.com. That's support@workfromhomechannel.com. And then what we'll do is reply to the code, this acupuncture funnel, into your system with the automated email campaign as well. I will send you a tutorial video with that as well, just to make sure you know exactly what you're doing. And if you do get stuck, just jump on a call with that as well. Yeah, this is free for you. Free website, free automated series, and basically a way for you to grab some more leads and customers for your acupuncture business. Keep an eye on our channel, and we will be covering some more ways in which you can get some leads and customers for your various types of businesses. So keep an eye on our channel. If you're watching this and you want some more leads for your business, comment below and let us know what type of business you're running, and we'll see if we can accommodate you and set up a system so you can generate some leads for your type of business as well. Take care and see you next time.
So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial on how to get leads and customers and the power of Funnel Freedom. Now I want to show you how you can instantly access this complete done for you system for your specific business. And this process is designed to get you more leads, more customers, more reviews, and even book appointments and follow-up emails and text messages. So let me show you exactly how to get access. All right, so in the description down below, I'm gonna leave this spreadsheet link, okay? This is your key. This is the map that you need for your specific business, okay? So the first thing that you need to do is you have to have a Funnel Freedom account. So before you even go to this spreadsheet, make sure that you have a Funnel Freedom account. That's gonna be the first link down in the YouTube description. Click on that link, become a customer, and then step 2, you're gonna get access to this, okay? So whatever business that you need, right? Whether it's acupuncture, whether it's carpet cleaning, computer repair services, dog grooming, whatever business that you need, this is the key right here where it says snapshot ID, okay? So let me show you how to import the business as you've seen in the video. So in the spreadsheet itself, you're gonna click on this button right here, okay? Now remember, this will only work if you have a Funnel Freedom account. It won't work on anything else, okay? So really important that you only go here once you have an account, okay? So I'm gonna go to this step 1, and it's gonna redirect me to this page right here where it says import snapshot. So then I'm going to fill out some basic information, first name, last name, enter your email that you use to create your Funnel Freedom account, and then it's going to ask for a location ID. So let me show you exactly where to find this. So we're going to go over to our Funnel Freedom account. It should look similar to this right here. Now on the bottom left over here, way at the bottom, you're going to see where it says settings, okay? So we're going to click on settings, and it should go to the business profile, okay? So right here where it says business profile, this is where you find your location ID. So this is the number that you want, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and copy this, okay? We're gonna copy that location ID. We're now gonna head over back to this form right here, and we're gonna paste that here, okay? So this means that we're gonna import it into our account, okay? We don't want it to go into any other account. And then important here is the snapshot ID. So this right here, again, we're gonna go back to this spreadsheet here. So whatever business that you need, you're gonna go over here and copy this. Okay, so we're just gonna go, we'll just click this first one here for acupuncture. Again, make sure to click on your exact business. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy that over, and then of course just hit this button here, and it's gonna import the snapshot into your account. Now let me show you exactly what this looks like. All right, and as you can see, now it imported the entire business into your account. Okay, so as you can see, it imported the funnels or the website, right? Basically what you saw in the video. So you can see the entire funnel is there, and then if we go to where it says automation, you'll see it has all the done for you automations as well. So if we click on this, all these templates you can literally just plug and play for your exact business. Okay, so super powerful. There's so much that you can do, right? We have in this example birthday templates, auto missed call back, we have appointment confirmation, holiday text flow. So depending on which business that you choose, we have kind of different automations for any one of these businesses, but either way we have the entire process already built out for you based on that list that you saw. So I'm super excited for you to use this and blow up your business, whatever business that you have. So let me know down below if this was of value. Also, if you have any questions at all, we do have 24/7 chat support. Okay, so let me show you where to get access to that. So inside of your Funnel Freedom account, you'll notice this little button right here, this little bubble. So this is the 24/7 chat support. So if you click on this, you can literally get on a chat within minutes, whatever issues that you have. Okay, and you can talk to support as much as you need to get your problem solved. Okay, so if you're trying to figure out, how do I send text messages, how do I send emails, this is all going to be here if you need tech support. We also have weekly tech coaching calls every single week, okay, with one of the experts in the field. So if you get stuck on one little part, you can get on a call and we'll be able to walk you through the process. But if you need instant help, we have the Facebook group, and then of course we also have the 24/7 chat support. With that being said, I'm super excited to help you blow up your business and get you more leads and customers. We'll see you on the next video. God bless.